In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert WordArt in Excel. WordArt is a quick way to add attention-grabbing titles or labels to your spreadsheet, perfect for dashboards, reports, or anything that needs a visual pop. To follow along, open your workbook in Excel and make sure the ribbon is visible at the top. If it's minimized, click the little arrow on the right to expand it so you can see all the tabs and commands. Start on the Insert tab along the ribbon. This is where Excel keeps all the tools for adding elements to a sheet: charts, shapes, images, and of course text. Clicking Insert makes sure you're in the right place to add decorative text without affecting your underlying data or formulas. Within the Insert tab, look for the Text section. Depending on your window size, it may appear as a group labeled Text, or as an icon with the word Text underneath. This is the section that controls everything related to text elements beyond standard cell entries, including text boxes, headers, and WordArt. Click WordArt in that text section. A gallery of preset styles will appear: different colors, outlines, shadows, and fills. Pick a style that fits the tone of your sheet. You can always change it later. As soon as you choose a style, Excel places a WordArt object on your sheet, usually with placeholder text selected. It behaves like a floating shape, not a cell, so you can move it anywhere on the grid without disturbing your data. If you don't immediately see it, check whether your zoom level or scroll position has moved. The object may be just off-screen. Now type your text. Replace the placeholder with your title or label. If you want it larger or smaller, use the font size controls on the Home tab or the Shape Format tab that appears when the WordArt is selected. You can drag the corners to resize, rotate using the circular handle, and drag the object to position it precisely where you want it. For visual tweaks, open the Shape Format tab to adjust text fill and text outline, add shadow or glow effects, or switch to another preset style with a single click. Keep contrast in mind. Dark text on a light background or vice versa helps with readability. If you plan to print or share, use Page Layout View to confirm that the WordArt sits cleanly within the margins. And if you ever need to edit the wording later, just click the WordArt and type again. That's all it takes to insert WordArt in Excel and make your sheets clearer and more polished.